In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ElevenLabs for free via Reddit. It's a straightforward process that, once completed, will open up a world of creative possibilities using this powerful platform. Let's dive right in. To start, you'll want to open your web browser. Choose whichever browser you're most comfortable with, whether that's Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or any other. Simply click on the browser icon, and once it launches, head over to the ElevenLabs website. You can easily find it through a quick search or by typing the URL directly into the address bar. Once you're on the ElevenLabs homepage, you'll need to register for an account. This can be done by using your email address or by opting for an OAuth provider like Google or Facebook. If you choose to register with an email, make sure you have access to your inbox, as you may need to verify your email address to complete the registration process. After you've successfully registered, you'll be prompted with a few questions. These are designed to help personalize your account and tailor the experience to your needs. Take a moment to fill this out, providing accurate answers where necessary, as this step can enhance your interactions with the platform. Next, ElevenLabs will present you with their subscription plans. Don't fret, though, if you're looking to use it for free. You have the option to simply skip this step. By doing so, you'll still gain access to the basic features without committing to any payment. Now, once you're logged in, you'll find yourself at the ElevenLabs dashboard. Here, the world of advanced audio editing tools is at your fingertips. You'll notice various tabs for text-to-speech and speech-to-speech options, voice settings, sound effects, and workflows. Take a moment to explore these to understand the tools available to you. It's time to test out the features. Whether you're interested in transforming text into speech, altering your voice, adding sound effects, or isolating specific voice frequencies, ElevenLabs offers a range of options to experiment with. Feel free to play around and see how these can augment your projects and creative endeavors. After you've generated your desired audio, whether it's a piece of dialogue, a narration, or a unique sound effect, you have the option to download it. This means you can save the audio file directly to your device, allowing you to incorporate it into your project seamlessly. Alternatively, if you're working on a cloud-based project or using a collaboration tool, you may even utilize the audio directly from the platform. And there you have it. By following these steps, you can easily access and utilize the innovative audio features ElevenLabs offers, all for free